Hello friends, how are you? Today I will show you an exciting transition that I'm 100% sure you have never seen before. In the first step, we add our clips to the timeline, then we make a black video with a resolution of 12 times smaller than our sequence. For example, if the resolution of our sequence is 920 by 1080p, then the black video resolution will be 160 by 90. Now bring the black video to the timeline by drag and drop. See, our black video appeared in the center of the screen, way smaller than our clips. First, select the black video and increase its scale until it covers the entire screen and make it a little bigger to cover all sides and corners correctly. Now search for Noise HSL Auto in the FX panel and drag it onto the black video. First, change the noise to green, then increase the brightness to the end of its amount. It will be 1000. Also, increase the green size to 10 and increase the noise animation speed to 1.5. Now, search for Gaussian blur in the FX panel, drag it to the black video. And increase the blurriness until the noises here are lightning-like. Now, under the opacity, change the blending mode of the black video to screen. After doing this, the black areas will disappear and only the white areas will remain. It still does not look precisely like the lightning, but we have to make it to look like the real lightning. Once again, please search for the tint effect in the FX panel and drag it to the black video. Then change the color of the map white to any color you like. For example, red or pink. Yeah, maybe pink is better. Now, it has taken the form of lightning a little, but it has only one color. To make it a little more exciting and authentic, you have to add another color. To do this, you must first duplicate the black video by holding Alt or Option key on the keyboard and dragging it up one track. Make it a little out of sync, 1 or 2 frames are enough. Then in the FX control panel, change its tint color to another color you like, for example blue. Now nest the both black videos and change its blending mode to screen again. Our transition is ready. Let's watch it. Wow, it's very nice and super. Okay friends, how was the video? Did you learn something new? If so, please like and share the video. Write your opinions in the comments. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications when I upload new videos like this. Okay, now we must sync the transition with the music to make it more interesting. To do this, bring your chosen music under the clip and find a part where this transition will be synced correctly. I already did this. Yeah, I decided to do that on this part. Now adjust the transition length to the music part you have chosen. Then search for the Proc Amp effect in the FX panel and drag it to the nested clip. Now bring the playhead to the beginning of the nested clip and start the animation by clicking the stopwatch next to the brightness under the Proc Amp effect. It creates a keyframe in the playhead position automatically. Bring the playhead to the end of it and make another keyframe by clicking here. Lastly, bring the playhead over the cut between two clips, increase the brightness until everything on the screen turns white. Now, for smoothing the start point and end point of the transition, right-click at the beginning of the nested clip and apply the default transition. Now do that for the end of the clip as well. Adjust the length of the default transition according to your need. Okay, now let's watch it. Wow, it looks very nice. Now your transition is ready, and you can use it as a transition over your other cuts in your timeline as well. If you want to learn more transitions like this, I suggest you to watch this video too.